Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from BizBuilders, and if you want to set up an LLC with multiple owners in 2026, this is definitely for you. I'm going to show you the actual fastest way to get your multi-owner LLC up and running without the headaches. So here's the thing, you have two options. Option 1, spend weeks navigating your state's Secretary of State website, drafting complex ownership agreements, figuring out profit distributions, managing multiple member requirements, getting your EIN, finding a registered agent, and well, hoping you don't mess something up with multiple people involved. Or option 2, let professionals handle everything while you focus on, actually building your business with your co-owners. Now, I tried the DIY route once with multiple business partners. Huge mistake. Between understanding multi-member LLC requirements, filing fees, creating proper operating agreements that protect everyone's interests, managing different ownership percentages, and spending countless hours on government websites, we wasted 4 months and still had to pay someone to fix our mistakes. Plus, we almost had a falling out over unclear agreements. So yeah, definitely not fun. Here's what you actually need to set up a multi-owner LLC quickly. First, obviously, your business name. Have a primary choice and a backup that's available in your state. Second, get a registered agent with a street address in your state. This person receives legal documents for your LLC. Third, file your articles of organization listing all members and their information. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS for tax purposes. Fifth, create a comprehensive operating agreement that clearly outlines each owner's percentage, responsibilities, profit sharing, decision-making authority, and exit procedures. Sixth, decide on management structure. Will all owners manage or appoint managers? And seventh, open a business bank account with proper signatory rights. Now, this sounds straightforward, but multi-owner LLCs have serious complications. Tax elections, member voting rights, capital contributions, dispute resolution, and what happens when someone wants to sell their share. One mistake can create major legal and financial problems between owners down the road. That's why I recommend Taylor Brands. Look, they handle everything. Registered agent service, state filing, EIN application, comprehensive operating agreement for multiple owners, management structure setup, even help with your business bank account. Most importantly, they know how to structure multi-owner LLCs properly to prevent future conflicts. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus your state's filing fees. That's literally the cost of doing it yourself, but with professional help and multi-owner expertise. So stop wasting time on complex paperwork and potential partnership disputes. Use our link in the description. Get your multi-owner LLC formed properly and start building your business together today. Trust me, all your co-owners will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more real business advice. I'll see you in the next video.